Oh, thank you so much. Oh, it's manual. Nice. You okay being on camera, Michael?
Hey, Farrell.
Hey, guys.
Good, how are you?
Okay.
Is this your first one?
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
He's been searching at manual elevators throughout the whole city, actually.
Oh, really? Gina, how many there's left?
There's like probably countless of them.
Yeah?
This is my friend Michael.
What's up, Jen?
I just stumbled across him today. This is one of my friends from church, and I was just walking down the street, and I happened to bump into him out of nowhere, and we got some time to spare.
13.
Thank you. Enjoy the elevator ride.
You too. Thanks. This is your GAL hand crank. This is obviously replaced.
Yes.
Oh, wow, so he's controlling where to stop.
Yes, it is. See, what you do is you have to hold it in like this, and you keep it held down. And when you center the handle, it'll stop the elevator.
Yes.
Is it okay if I could ride the other elevator after you drop me off?
Well, the other one's closed right now.
Oh, okay.
My coworker's on break.
Okay, well, could I at least look at it?
Yeah, let me see if I can. It's gonna be a little rough here. Somebody's waiting for me in the lobby right now.
Yes, sir.
I know you're busy, but still, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let me see if I can show you something.
Okay.
Wow.
All right. Thank you.
All right, here we are on an old vintage manually controlled Otis elevator. This elevator's definitely been refurbished.
Yes.
What would you say your name was again, sir?
I'm Gino.
Gina.
Yes.
My name is Jim, and that's my friend Michael.
Michael.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh.
yeah. Let's come next. This is.
oh,
They used to have that. That would tell us where.
What stop he was on?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
And that's the buttons. They don't light up. It's just regular stainless steel buttons.
yeah, monitor fixtures. These are made by. These used to be Otis, right? Did you say?
It used to be Otis, and it
Okay.
used to have a copper like cover with little black buttons that say up and down. You want to see that?
If I capture your face by accident, I apologize. Right? You're sure? Okay. Yeah, because most people don't want their faces to be shown on camera.
I don't owe anybody money. I'm good. The feds aren't looking for me.
Right.
All right, here's me driving this old piece of beauty, thanks to the man himself.
Mm-hmm.
Put it out a little bit.
Oh, there we go.
Nice. You're a natural.
What am I, a captain?
Mm-hmm.
Captain, my captain.
Captain who?
Captain Jim.
Captain Jim, yeah.
Yep, my name is Jim.
You taking us to the lobby?
I saw that. There you go. You almost
great
did it. Perfect.
timing.
Wait a minute. There's a step there right now. Let me just check it.
Okay.
All right, there you go. Watch your fingers. There you go.
After
Sweet.
you?
Oh, thank you.
Great work, man.